Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Wi-Fi icon not showing problem on Windows 11, 10 2023 fix. First check network adapter hardware. Successfully replied, it shows no hardware error. First method is type services in Windows search bar, click services. Open Ulan Auto Config, change startup type to automatic, click start the service, click apply, click OK, restart the service. Second method is type system configuration in Windows search bar, click system configuration in, click services tab. Hide all Microsoft services, click disable all, click apply, click OK, click restart. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapters, right-click Wi-Fi adapter, enable device. Fourth method is type ncpa.cpl in Windows search bar, click ncpa.cpl. Change obtain IP and DNS server address automatically. Fifth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapter, right-click Wi-Fi adapter, click Properties, click Power Management tab. Uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.